A mother's child, a father's child, but yet no one's son. Who am I?
That's your Jackie.
What go on, peeps? You don't know your boy Jnel. Back at it again with the next episode of the questions. I watch you know, our town with it. Our ground, which is Ep3. So watch you know, without further ado, episode 3. And we are gonna make a move now because we get a couple interviewers to reach without shooting the intro yet. You get me? I say, so watch you know, without further ado, you know as always. Yeah, Ep3 with there, man. I got it. Where am I go? That way, yeah? Alright, I'm gone. Alright, my G, you don't know what things set, you know. Give me a name.
You know, say boy Elder Skull, aka Dante.
Elder Skull?
Yeah.
How you get that Elder Skull?
You know, say I'm a school friend, them come that come look older than them still.
Where's the bad bro? Your name?
Sins.
Say again?
Sins.
Sins?
Yeah, man, Sins.
B2.
B2?
Yeah, B2.
Reds.
Little Emperor from Judgment Yard.
Yeah.
I have a song named Come My Love.
Oh, you're an artist too?
Yeah.
Run the song with me here, what go on?
The song now?
Yeah.
Hey, I want you come, my love, from streets or bars. Yo, I want you come, my love, soon. Come on soon. Since I met you, darling, my life has grown strong. So let's hold hands together. Yeah, yeah.
Alex.
J8 man, one J8 official.
Tell her what it mean, no, man.
Alright. JH are the initials for the name, isn't it? So we use the initials to promote my business. JH_words on both platforms, TikTok, Instagram, you know the code. Yeah.
What kind of business?
Fashion designing, man. You know, watch it, look what I go on. So it's over there. Alright, it's a good look.
Andrew.
Tried into light and darkness, bring forth the morning light, singing I want you come, my love. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, yeah man, you don't know a Rasta from in the trees, you know, you saw me down, you know everything go already.
Yeah, man. And tell the people where you can find them and where you are selling them things.
Yeah man, you say once you come in the trees and thing, you know, once you come in the trees, you know, you go see me, I'm not hard to find anything, you understand?
Yeah.
My name is Star.
Star?
Yeah.
Although your best friends say I'm too young for you, no matter what they say or do, my love for you always growing strong. A long time in search, now that I found cash now.
You say, woo, oh, you go, woo, woo,
Woo, woo, woo.
Scully Bad, artist name.
Artist name. Oh, say artist, I run something, man.
I feel the blessing of flow, I feel it. See me dog on the phone, Jack 3 mil. Big Benz blast off my car wheelie. Take off Nicki Minaj, just no easy. Enough time and I work and pray. When I work I faith. Now $1 million man I earn a day.
Yeah. Mad.
Yeah, man, a chunk star spy, boss, I see.
Yeah, you say have a tune can run?
Yeah, man.
You what going on, man?
Hey, you see the boy, them a rape people data. Sue me big disaster. For every pitney a capture, to father God you a go answer. Them coulda wrap up in a turban like Rasta. The road a fi block like Panther. Shouldn't promise her no sponsor. Shouldn't take a baby a lacta. The little girl future brighter and everybody see. Now you kill her and dash her in a bush a senti. When me see the picture them when me cousin they send me. I no movie but them scary. It a tape, spy bars no rape. Fully Gaza.
Marco.
Kang Magic.
Kang Magic. Yeah. You say artist, you know, bro. You say, can you give them a song?
Believe in yourself all when you have fights. When I get cold and it colder than ice. Big up yourself now, Jnel, you know what I think. DJ. Andrew.
You know Vybz Kartel, right? You rate Vybz Kartel. You know the style of mouths that say, yo, what is under my mouth?
I'm out.
Repeat. I'm out. A nose. No, God!
What you say?
A nose.
A nose?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You say, we know Vybz Kartel have a style, man. What is under my mouth?
I'm out.
You know Vybz Kartel, no?
Yes, I.
You rate Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, man, I rate Vybz Kartel on a level still. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell you say every tune I rate fame.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I will keep our thing positive, you know. You understand? Yes, I.
So you know Vybz Kartel style, man. Them always say, man, what is under my mouth?
I don't know that one day, no.
Oh, you don't know that?
No, I don't know that one day anything.
What is under my mouth?
I'm out. I'm out.
Sure.
I'm out. I'm out.
You know about Vybz Kartel, though?
Yeah.
What is under my mouth?
Vybz Kartel.
Eh?
What is under your what?
What is under, you know about Vybz Kartel, man? He always have a slang going around the place, man. And him say, what is under my mouth?
No, we don't remember. We don't remember.
You know remember?
We don't remember what him said was under my mouth.
You rate Vybz Kartel?
Rate him, man.
What is under my mouth?
Chin.
You know Vybz Kartel, though?
Yeah.
And you know him have a look style when him say, yo, what is under my mouth?
I'm out. That is it.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
What is under my mouth?
I'm out. I'm out.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Why you so sure?
100% sure. And the teacher said that, you know,
What is under my mouth?
I'm out. What under your mouth? Chin. Chin. You see that trick me? No, you're going to trick me.
You know what they do?
Eh?
What they under your mouth? No chin.
You rate the dog?
Oh,
What is under my mouth?
a chin.
You dog, I think about it, you know. You say, you could have catch you.
Yeah, it could have, but you know, for a minute, you see me, I say, the slang so popular now, bro, it's like you can barely miss. If you miss, you're not miss that.
What is under my mouth?
Mike.
What is under my mouth?
What is under beard?
I'm out.
Beard. What is that?
I'm out.
That makes sense.
What is under my mouth?
I'm out.
What is under my mouth?
I'm out.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
What is under my mouth?
Mike. Is that Mike?
You know Vybz Kartel?
Yeah, man.
What is under my mouth?
Mike, man.
Alright. Them are going good. Second one, right? Dave is 6 foot tall. You get what I say? Wear size 9 and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
I'm 6 foot tall, wear size 9, and work in a butcher shop.
Yeah, what does Dave wear?
In wear why some of them you think them for cover him up for kill
No
the
man,
thing.
Dave is 6 foot tall, right? Work in a butcher shop
Yeah.
and wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear?
Hey y'all, come look at this. Where? 6 foot.
Where's that again? Say about the question.
Dave 6 foot tall, right? Work in a butcher shop, wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear?
How much Dave wear? 6'9". 200 pound. 200 pound. Ask my question. Me know the answer now.
What you say?
No.
Dave 6 foot tall, right? Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
A size short.
Eh?
A short size. What does a short size?
Short size?
What does you?
Listen again, you know. Dave 6 foot tall, right? Him wear size 9 shoes and him work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
140. I'm wearing 14.
Eh?
14.
14?
Yeah.
How you get that?
The 9 and the 4. The 9 and the 5 is 14.
What you say? The 9 and the 5 are
14.
Dave is 6 foot tall. Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
146 pounds.
146?
Yeah.
How you get that?
I say I'm 6 foot tall.
Yeah.
Although I don't know how fat him is still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear?
146 pounds.
146?
Yeah.
Dave is 6 foot tall. Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
6 foot tall.
And wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear? Hey, what you say? Read it out, man.
I don't know if I'm right or wrong, you know.
Yeah.
180 centimeter.
Well, we don't know because we just know say American and motor shop and then we just know him height.
Yeah.
So we don't know how much he would weigh.
What does Dave wear?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
What does Dave wear?
69 pound.
Eh?
69 pound.
Dave 6 foot tall, you know.
Yeah.
Wear size 9 shoes
Yeah.
and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
What does Dave wear?
Yeah.
Boy, that one there hard.
That one there.
Yeah, man, that one the puzzling and thing, you know?
Yeah.
Me have to go figure out that one there and thing still.
Dave 6 foot tall, right? Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
You never tell me Dave. You never tell me Dave.
Dave 6 foot tall, right? Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
Shoes, slippers.
No, what does Dave wear?
What? You never tell you that one there.
Eh?
You never tell you that one there.
Oh no.
Does we have wear? I don't know that one there, no.
Yes, you know that one there.
You know that one there.
Meat.
Eh?
Meat.
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 Meat? Oh, we have meat. Oh, no.
What does he wear?
Yeah.
Meat.
Meat.
A mother's child, a father's child,
Yeah.
but no one's son. Who am I?
Probably them neglect him, you know.
No. I'll do something.
Probably them neglect him.
You say the neglecting.
Yeah.
Eh.
Mother's child, father's child, but no one's child,
No one's son.
no one's son.
Oh man. So wrong with that one, man.
Child, father's child, but no one's son. And I feel them people then adapt him.
Oh no.
Mother's child, father's child, but no one's son. Who am I?
No, nobody. I don't know what I'm saying. Nobody.
A daughter.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yet still no one's son. Who am I?
A mother's child.
A father's child, but no one's son. Who am I?
Who am I?
Eh?
Who am I? The girl's the man.
The Girls them mother?
Girls them man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Girls them man?
Yeah.
How you get the answer then?
Because the mother and the father did not care about him. Only the girls then.
Yeah.
So me check it out. The mother and father does not care for him. That's just simple meaning.
Yeah.
That mean him and the girl. The girls them check for him. That mean the girls them man.
One son. No one son. No one son. No one son. Yo, I'ma give up, father.
Yes, I give up.
Give up.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yet still no one son. I don't even know that. I don't try to do maths and bro. I don't know. I'll be honest with that.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yet still no one son. Who am I?
Daughter.
Oh, sister.
Daughter.
Oh, daughter. yo, that was the tough, but me have a think. Look at it. We're getting my thought process in that, is it?
A mother's child, a father's child, but no one son. Who am I?
Single parent. Single parent.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yet no one son. Who am I?
That's a Jackie. That's a Jackie.
Jackie.
Yeah.
What you say?
Same thing, that's
A mother's child, a father's child, but no one son.
a Jackie. Jackie that, brother.
Who am I? You say a mother's child, a father's child, but no one son. Who am I? The creator. The creator.
Creator. A mother's child, a father's child, but yet no one son. Who am I?
Child of God. Child of God.
Child of God. What you say?
A daughter. A daughter.
Daughter.
Yeah.
Repeat that.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yet no one son. Who am I?
The one up there, sir. The son up there, sir. Son nice guy.
That don't make sense to me.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of the questions. And watching don't know say episode 3, and we are halfway. Say it no man 3. Jesus Christ. So watching halfway 3 never that lively, but you don't know me. I gotta try to see if I can put in some editing and make sure you see the video nice. You get to me and say so you can laugh and enjoy yourself. Well, you already laugh and enjoy yourself already still. You know what I mean? So watching a night a job after 6. You get to me and say so watching you see the next stop, Spanish Town. Next stop, Spanish Town. Today is Friday. Video I go up Saturday. So which is Saturday now. Today we now watch it now. With the Spanish Town. Thank you guys for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. Make sure you say when you like the video. You get to me and say like the video. Follow me on Instagram. Jnel_1. You get to me and say thank you guys for watching again. You don't know your boy Jnel. And I'm out.